In a significant step to bolster Ukraine's defense capabilities, Swedish Defense Minister Dr. Paul Johnson has confirmed the purchase of 18 Archer-wheeled self-propelled howitzers from BAE Systems Bofors. This move is part of Stockholm's latest military assistance initiative, unveiled during a visit to the BAE Systems Bofors facility in Karlskoga. These advanced artillery systems will be delivered as part of Sweden's 18th military aid package to Ukraine, which also includes 5 counter-battery radar systems. The total value of this artillery-focused support is estimated at approximately $300 million. This delivery complements Sweden's broader military assistance, including its 19th aid package revealed on March 31, 2025. That package brought the nation's 2025 defense support for Ukraine to 29.5 billion Swedish kronor, pushing Sweden's cumulative military aid since 2022 to around 80 billion Swedish kronor. The recent contributions encompass equipment sourced from defense industries across Sweden, the Nordic region, and wider Europe, focusing on artillery, communications, ammunition, and naval systems. The new Archers will be mounted on Rheinmetall manned military vehicles, RMMV, HX-28x8 chassis, with fielding scheduled to start in 2026. These howitzers are intended to backfill prior Swedish donations to Ukraine and a sale to the United Kingdom. Sweden had stored 24 Archer units, of which 14 were transferred to the British Army and 8 to Ukrainian forces. The remaining 2 have been retained for testing and upgrades. Known in military circles as the FH-77BWL-52 or Artillery System 08, the Archer system was originally conceived for the Swedish Army and entered active service in 2016. Initially based on a modified Volvo A30D 6x6 hauler, the howitzer has evolved to include configurations for the HX-28x8 and conceptual platforms such as the Oshkosh 8x8 and 10x10. Archer's standout feature is its rapid deploy-fire move cycle, able to fire within 20 seconds of halting and relocate just as fast. It can deliver 3 shells in 20 seconds, unleash 21 rounds in 3 minutes, or maintain sustained fire of 54 rounds over 35 minutes. With an automated loading mechanism, it carries 21 shells and 126 propellant modules, and can be run by a crew as small as one from its armored cabin. The system accommodates a wide range of 155 mm NATO standard ammunition types, including the GPS-guided Excalibur, range over 50 km, and the bonus top attack round, range up to 35 km, which carries smart anti-armor submunitions. Onboard tech includes digital fire control, inertial and GPS navigation, electronic fuse programming, and battlefield network integration. Its remote weapon station can be outfitted with a heavy machine gun or grenade launcher. Designed for extreme operational conditions, the Archer features armor protection against mines, small arms, and blasts, as well as CBRN shielding. Its mobility includes a max speed of 90 km per hour, HX2 variant, a range of up to 800 km, and the ability to traverse various terrains and water obstacles. The system's firing angles span from -85 degrees to +85 degrees laterally, with vertical elevation from its 10.4-meter barrel. Transport is flexible, with compatibility for rail, sea, and airlift via C-17 or A400M. Beyond Sweden, Archer users include the United Kingdom and Ukraine. The British Army integrated 14 systems as a stopgap for AS-90 howitzers donated to Ukraine. Ukraine's 45th Artillery Brigade has used the Archers in active combat, targeting Russian artillery with notable success in regions such as Kreminna and Chervenopopivka. Despite one being damaged near Kupiansk by a loitering munition in February 2024, reports indicate it was recoverable. International interest in the Archer system continues. Romania is exploring a potential order of 36 units, Canada has included it in a broader artillery review, and the United States, after trials in 2021, is reconsidering the system under a new mobile cannon program with decisions expected by 2026. Switzerland shortlisted the Archer but ultimately opted for a different solution, while Norway, once a partner in its development, withdrew and chose South Korea's K-9 Thunder in 2017. The Archer project stems from efforts in the 1990s to modernize Sweden's FH-77 systems. Prototypes such as the FH-77AD and FH-77BD laid the groundwork for the eventual production model. Reloading support vehicles accompany the system, providing up to 100 shells per trip and enabling resupply in under 10 minutes. Sweden's aid strategy goes beyond hardware. It includes funding for technical services, spare parts, logistics, and innovation. The Swedish Defense Research Agency supports detection and analysis, while budget lines cover export guarantees, maintenance, and even civil defense. In total, Sweden has earmarked hundreds of millions of kronor for sustaining Ukrainian capabilities in the field, underscoring a long-term commitment to security and stability in Eastern Europe.